In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix you are unable to play this game at this time. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if in any case you're getting this error in Fortnite that says you are unable to play this game at this time, so I'm here in this article showing you methods or fixes that you can do to fix this error. So the first thing we can do is to check our internet connection. So ensure that your device is connected to the internet and perform a speed test to determine if your connection is fast and stable enough for online gaming. Also, you want to check the Fortnite server status. So to check if the Fortnite servers are down, visit the Epic Games website and look for server status updates. So if the servers are temporarily unavailable, you'll need to wait until they are back up and running. So the next thing you can do is to verify your Fortnite game files. So for Epic Games Launcher, you want to navigate your library, find the Fortnite game, and click the three dots next to its title. Now select Manage and then click on Verify. Now wait for the verification process to complete. So the next thing we can do is to disable our VPN if we are using one. So if we are enabled a VPN, you want to disable this because it might interfere with your ability to connect to Fortnite servers. Next is to simply uninstall and reinstall Fortnite. So if all of those methods doesn't work, what you can do is to simply contact Fortnite support. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.